Alright, hope everybody's doing well. I just wanted to show you this new piece of equipment I got here. This is it's a Massey Ferguson 451 with of course a bucket on it, four-wheel drive, and it comes with two additional set of remotes on it. All the lights are functional. It is a 2006 model, but I was amazed when I found it on Craigslist. It was a fellow that lived about 70 some miles from me. I found it on there, but this tractor looks like it just came off the showroom floor, but fully functional. It's 52 horsepower. It's about 4 or 5 horsepower less than the old tractor I have currently. It has the Massey Ferguson quick connect on the front, which I just soon have a skid steer quick connect. 6-foot bucket. Now, one thing about it, this is the thing that really surprised me, and I will show you that if you look right there at the number of hours, 80 hours on this tractor. I was so amazed when I saw this tractor and it had 80 hours on it. But anyway, it of course it has you know, power takeoff, four-wheel drive, two, like I say, two additional sticks over there for the remotes. I have on order a snow blade to go on the front of this thing, so I'll show you that when it comes in. But other than having a few scrapes on it or whatever, which I'm going to use it, I'm not going to let it sit here and just collect dust. But anyway, that's I guess you could call it my birthday present. I got it just 2 days after my birthday. My wife said, yeah, go ahead and get it. So you know, when your wife says go ahead and get it, you act real fast, because you don't want them to change their mind. But anyway, the PTO on this thing right here, this shield right here is still on the PTO. It has never been used. These two remotes have never been used. I'm not too sure what the gentleman that had it used it for, other than maybe move some stuff, or maybe he just liked to look at it. I'm not too sure. But with 80 hours in about 12 years, I mean, that's what, just a few hours a year that he used it. So, but I'm going to use it. So anyway, I thought I'd show you that, and I'm real happy to get it, because with snow that four-wheel drive is going to come in handy, especially when you're pushing snow. So anyway, I'm just thought I'd let you see it. So see y'all later. Enjoy your day. Y'all have a great day. Appreciate y'all. Bye-bye.